Hello student. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful poem from class 5. The name of the poem is Only One Mother. First, listen the tune of this poem. Let's start. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Hundreds of shells on the shore together. Hundreds of shells on the shore together. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. Hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. Hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. But only one mother the wild world over. But only one mother the wide world over. Do you enjoy this poem? Children, in this poem, the poet is telling us about many beautiful things in nature. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. That means there are many stars in the sky. आकाशात खूप सारे तारे असतात. Hundreds of shells on the shore together. That means there are many shells on the seashore. याचाच अर्थ समुद्र किनाऱ्यावर खूप सारे शंख असतात. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. That means many birds are singing and flying in the sky. म्हणजेच आकाशात खूप सारे पक्षी गाणी गात उडत असतात. Hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. That means there are many lambs playing in the sunny weather. म्हणजेच छान सोनेरी सूर्यप्रकाशात मेंढरे कुरणावर चरत आनंद उपभोगत असतात. 100 of dewdrops to greet the dawn. That means there are dewdrops in the great dawn. म्हणजेच पहाटेच्या वेळी गवतावर पडलेले दवबिंदू देखील आपल्या मनाला आनंद देत असतात. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. That means there are many bees in the purple clover. म्हणजेच जांभळ्या फुलांवर खूप साऱ्या मधमाशा मध गोळा करत असतात. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. That means there are many butterflies on the lawns. म्हणजेच सुंदर सुंदर फुलपाखरं हिरवळीवर बागडत आपलं मन मोहून घेत असतात. But only one mother the wide world over. That means mother is the most important person in our life. आई ही आपल्या जीवनातील खूप महत्त्वाची व्यक्ती आहे, जी आपली काळजी घेते, आपल्यावर प्रेम करते, आपल्याला चांगल्या चांगल्या गोष्टी शिकवते. म्हणूनच आपण देखील आपल्या आईची काळजी घेतली पाहिजे, तिचा आदर केला पाहिजे आणि तिची सेवा केली पाहिजे. So, always love your mother.